The letters and one-point patterns can be combined and saved for later use. Press Save Call button. Use the selection button to select folder to save and press Confirmation button. Select Save and press Confirmation button. Press Save Call button. Press the selection button to select the folder where you wish to call the desired combination. Select Call and press Confirmation button. Press the Confirmation button. Press Save Call button. Use the selection button to select the target folder where content to be deleted is stored. Press the Confirmation button. Use the selection button to select Delete and press the Confirmation button. Press the Confirmation button.